Yeah. Baby girl, you're so damn fine, though. Wanna know if I can hit it from behind, though. I'm sipping on you like some fine wine, though. When it's over, I press rewind, though. Talking bands, I got it. Benjamins in my pocket. I traded my truth for some rob.
What's up, glamzillas, glamitars, glaminated, sexy, beautiful goddesses that you are? What's happening, y'all? I'm back with you with another video. I want to do a makeup tutorial, and I'm not gonna lie, I am going to be making it up as I go. So this will be fun for the both of us. While we're all in quarantine mode and staying indoors, I just thought this would be something to do. So I hope you guys enjoy the video, and let's get into it. And then we're gonna start off putting some eyebrows on my face because I have no eyebrows. Now I'm gonna go ahead and start concealing just to conceal my eyebrows. So I'm gonna go ahead and use the Eco Styling brush, and I'm going to blend the concealer out. I really like a sharp, kind of faded tail on my eyebrows. Don't know why I really get into it like that. It's a pretty animated eyebrow. I'm gonna go ahead and do the other one off camera. Now, my last video that I posted was a rate my outfit video with my friend and classmate on Wednesday. Her channel name is Sunday Afternoon with 2 eyes. That was a really fun video. I had a lot of fun making that video for you guys. Like I really did. Our school is closed. For those that don't know, I am going to school for massage therapy and so on. And I was really kind of bummed, like everyone else, because we started a cancer clinic, and I was like really excited to, just be a part of that. So it was kind of, kind of like, whoa, all right. But and then my job, I'm a weight loss counselor at a weight loss center here in St. Louis, and I work at a couple different centers, and I laid off. A lot of devastating things. So I really intend on making a lot of positive and entertaining content for everyone, especially from this point on. I just welcomed it now. So yeah, I really do think that's something that I would like to contribute to. Instead of praying for everyone and wishing everyone well and saying positive, is actually doing some type of positive things. So I wanted to start doing mini challenges on Instagram, here on YouTube, and on Facebook and whatnot, and do some giveaways to the winner, where you guys some bomb looks and hairstyles. I am going to do a little bit more blending because I did go over my corners of my eyebrows slightly and whatnot. So I'm going to start mixing my concealer here and my Mary Kay eyeshadow primer. This stuff right here is the bomb. And I'm going to go ahead and start putting this all over my eye. My best friend. And I do it on FaceTime. And matter of fact, this look that I'm about to do is a look that I did on the phone with her. For my transition color, I'm going to use a Morphe brush, and it's going to be a blending Buffy Morphe brush here. And I'm going to go in with this James Charles palette. And I'm going to use this purple color right here. I'm not that person who cares that much about the name, so that purple shade here, just dab it just a little bit, just slightly. And I'm going to use that going into my transition shade. darkening up or deepening up that transition color, I am just going to use this brown shade here. Tap into that brown shade right there. And the same brush with the purple. And I'm just going to use that brown shade to go in deepening that color. I sound like a real professional right now. We'll darken it up later, but for the moment, I'm just going to use this Morphe eyeshadow primer here, and going to good old faithful. I'm going to use this tiny brush that I don't even know what set this is, so I'll use that to cut my eyeshadow. I'm going to use a pretty good amount though. Now to apply a product like this, I'm just being a jackass, but to apply a product like this, I would use like a brush, more so like that concealer brush I use to apply around my eyebrows, something more flathead, and apply this with. I just, again, being a jackass. It doesn't have to be this neat. I'm just being weird. I'm going to go with that flat brush right here, color from the James Charles palette, and use that for the inner part of my eye. Use from the same James Charles palette. I'm going to use that bright yellow shade that's underneath it. Pretty bright, pretty extra. And we're going to apply that right on top and over. So on top and over that white color here, and we're just going to pat that on. And that's that. It's James Charles palette, and we're going to start by going into this bright orange here, and go like kind of right on top and over, just slightly, ever so slightly, and a little bit as well over that yellow. And this is just how we want to introduce these orange and red colors here. We're going to go into this, again, another bright and beautiful orange, but it's a bit darker than the one in James Charles and a bit more like poppity, okay? And this is where it gets really good. So from here, we're going to go and bring that red on top and over. Ever so lightly, we're and then we're going to go into a hot pink from this James Charles palette. Not so much like a hot pink, you know what I'm saying? But like this fuchsia type of color. And it's this one right here. Here in the James Charles palette. Is this color right here. Use this tiny smudge brush from Morphe, same 503 Fierce by Nature palette, and I'm just going to go in just with a teeny bit of that black shade here. Just tap it, and we're going to go in just to separate. Another Morphe brush, tiny bit of this orange tan shade up here. Tap that in, and we're just going to use that to blend up. This e.l.f. Blemish Control face primer here, and also for the same purposes that I used the eyeshadow primer, is the same reason why I'm using face primer, just so everything goes on really smoothly and whatnot. Juvia's Place foundation, and I'm going to use this like flat foundation brush here just to apply my foundation. That was a lot. And then I'm going to use this Ego Flathead foundation brush. I'm going to use the HD concealer, and I'm going to apply it around the areas of my face that I want highlighted. And for me, I just apply like a crap ton one area, and I spread it out to the rest of the areas like that. So I'm going to use that same concealer brush I used to blend out my eyebrows. And now to conceal, I still cannot find my concealer brush, y'all, and it's like crazy. I don't know where it's at. So I'm just going to use a brush here. I don't know what this brush is either. And I'm going to use my CC cream from Mary Kay. You guys know I love Mary Kay and I love this stuff. And then my beauty blender.
Hakuna Matata. What a wonderful phrase. Hakuna Matata.
And use a little bit of that concealer just to go over my cheeks.
It means no worries for the rest of your days. It's our problem-free philosophy. Hakuna Matata.
While I set my face, my setting powder. For my setting powder, I'm going to use, I don't know what happened to the name of this product. They just, over time, go away. So I'm going to use the same beauty sponge that I used to blend out my contour and concealer. And I damped it again to apply my setting powder. Now to contour set my ears where I contour, I'm just going to use that same brush that I used to apply my contour, and this Nameless, I have no idea, Nameless powder. And I'm going to use that to apply over that same areas that I have contoured my face, like so. Okay. Now to buff that out, I'm using that contour brush right here. We're just going to blend that. So I'm going to use LA Color liquid eyeliner, Dollar Store. I'm going to use that to line our eyeshadow here, or our eyelid.
It means no worries for the rest of your day.
My brush from Morphe, I'm going to use to apply a darker shade, and there's going to be a little bit of a brown. And I'm going to apply that on my bottom eyelids here. I'm going to use a little bit of that red color too. I'm going to use these eyelashes from Nilo Cosmetics, so you could get a pair of these beautiful mink eyelashes as well. And you could use my code that would be sent off your entire order. I've got a couple of pairs myself, girl. So I'm gonna go ahead and share the code again somewhere on the screen and get you up here too. I think I want to use this pair. Just try to blend them all together with some mascara. Again, these eyelashes are bomb. again, Julia's Palace highlight in the shade and stop playing, I'm ugly, but yeah. So let me do that, put that on my eyebrow bone. For this look, I will do a tutorial and another video on 6 ways to style them. Or this right here, right now is super tight. Like these curls are really tight. So if you're interested in how I achieve this look right here, then give me a like below. Smash that like button for your girl. And yeah, I'm just kidding, but no, not really. But and I could give you guys a video on 6 ways how to style them, of course, especially during the days or during the week when the style gets looser and bigger. Hope you enjoyed this video. I'll catch you guys later and see you soon.